Here we go. Floaty Pirate has taken over Eagle Beach. Here we are, Eagle Beach. This is amazing. A lot of activity here. You can see how big it is. You've got jet skis here. You've got everything. Around Aruba has been great. They've been helping us out, doing videos. Look how nice this is. These jet skis are serious. Exciting, you guys are going on jet skis?
Yeah.
That'll be great. That'll be awesome. Jonnaire, this is for big people. They're going on these things right here, these jet skis. We gotta go over here where it's netted where the little kids are. We're going over here. We're going over here. Here we go. We got little palapas here. We got everything. Woo-wee. That's a little cold, huh? That's a little cold. We're gonna get in here in a second. This looks amazing. Love the sand. A lot of beach here, a lot of action. This is probably like the biggest beach in terms that I've seen so far, in terms of like sand and the water. It's got a little waves, got a little more action going on here. A little bit rougher. This is not baby beach, so you have to understand that. But it's really, really nice. We're gonna get in here in a second. Let me get situated. Wow, here we go. Oh my gosh. That's a little cold, Floaty Pirate. We've got beaches, we got all kinds of jet skis, different things. Whoa, a little rougher, a little rougher, a little rougher. A little more wave action going on here. It's nice. Wow, cool. I was talking about being a super driver, Booba.
I'm a super driver, floaty, floaty, floaty.
Is she a floaty pirate? Oh no, she's trying to get a floaty pirate with extra level kisses.
Listen, floaty pirate. I'm trying to put you in and you pull me out. Floaty pirate, what's wrong with you?
What's interesting is that you feel this slight change in texture from just pure sand into like a little bit more grainy, small pebbles. And that's kind of, to me, is kind of where it's signal of, okay, this is kind of like, you know, almost shoulder neck height, and where the waves are still, you know, pulling you back and forth, you might want to try to get back in. So that's kind of where I'm hanging out at, is from that to about like, you know, a couple feet before the break. Floaty Pirate's gonna go take the beach and play in the sand. Hurry, hurry, hurry before the water comes back. Let's go. Floaty Pirate's escaped. She's now taking the beach. Floaty Pirate can now play with the sand in the beach. Mommy is taking our floaty. At some point, we're gonna have to go seize that floaty, like a true floaty pirate. Yes. Let's go.
But the waves are going to come here.
Okay, well, we have to go before the waves come. The Attack of the Floaty Pirate Part 2. We're sneaking up on Mommy. You see her. There's only one choice. Get your floaty. Floaty Pirate has her floaty back. That's a real Floaty Pirate right there. Good job. Floaty Pirate rides again. Oh, we're riding the wave, Floaty Pirate.
Okay, let's ride the wave again. Guys,
what's Mommy doing? Mommy's dragging us out. Floaty Pirates go where they want to go. We have to capture the other floaties. Okay, not too far. That's about right. Here we go. Floaty Pirate. Ready, go. What do you have to say to everybody?
Stop! Stop! It's so bad. Okay, I'll stop. The waves are pushing us. That is climbing. Nobody's riding the wave.
It's gorgeous. It's beautiful. But in my opinion, what you have to understand is definitely a stronger current. Definitely gets deeper faster. Now it's nice. Like there's no like really rocks or shells. It's nice smooth sand. The beach itself is great, but you can see that cut of the beach, how it kind of angles up pretty quickly. So that's definitely an effect. You can see how that breaks. It's pretty strong. If you got a little one, you may want to get him in a float like this to get him out here a little bit, but not too far. So there's kind of this sweet spot right in here, in my opinion, where that's kind of That's kind of where you want to operate. But you got to keep your eye on them for sure. But it's great, it's beautiful, but this is where you want to hang out right here. As you can see one more time here, that brake's a little strong for a little kid. That's why Baby Beach, in my opinion, if you got little ones, Baby Beach is really, really good. Palm Beach is also very, very good. So it's a gorgeous, beautiful beach. This is great for water sports activities. That's why we see the Sea-Doos over here, you know, the Waverunners. A lot of people here, a lot of beach area to lay out at. So it's a great, beautiful beach. Definitely one of the top beaches in the world, in my opinion. But just, you know, understand what you've got if you've got little kids. Or if you're yourself, maybe you're not the strongest swimmer. But again, I'm not giving anyone any advice. Everything you do is at your own risk. Great beach show. Let's get some more from beach action. The pirate demands to go inshore.
No, floaty, come here back.
You don't know what this floaty pirate's gonna do. Look at this floaty pirate. Oh my goodness. Watch out. Stay right here. You don't want to be in that break. It's floaty pirate. What a great beach and one of the top beaches in the world. Really happy that we're able to enjoy this with the family.